today's activity is bowling, and we did our homemade bowling pins. And what we used was recycled Gatorade bottles. So we saved them, after drinking them. And then afterwards, we decorated them with construction paper. You can paint them, you can color them with markers, stickers. We just decided to decorate them with construction paper. So then now we're gonna let Zeke try our bowling pins.
You can go over there. Roll the ball.
Roll the ball, Zeke. Throw them at the pins. Throw them.
Okay.
Try again.
Try again. Do it like this. Roll it.
Roll it, roll
Roll
it.
it.
Let's try a bigger ball. Wanna try this one? Roll it, roll it, push it.
Come on, Chicky. Yay! You did it. Okay. You wanna do it again?
You wanna do it again? So he needed a bigger ball because the smaller balls were not heavy enough to
Thank you for helping
knock
me.
down the
Okay, come on.
pins.
Come on, from here.
Do it again,
You
see?
need to roll. Roll the ball.
Throw it, throw it. Yay! So that's our activity for today. We hope if you guys try it out, go ahead and send us pictures, videos of your activity. And yeah, that's all to it. You can use water bottles, whatever you have at home. So thank you for today, friends. We'll see you on Friday. Bye.